In today's video, we are going to see the 10 rarest substances on Earth. So the references for this video are from Redora Comparisons channel and Wikipedia. Image sources is Wikipedia. If not, it is mentioned below. So on 10th rank we have xenon. Xenon is symbol is Xe. Atomic number is 54. Its electronic configuration is krypton 4d10 5s2 5p6. Atomic mass is 131.293 units and its abundance is 3 into 10 raised to power minus 5 ppm. ppm means particles per million. In periodic table block, it is written as Xe I4 and 131. On 9th position, we have protactinium. Its symbol is Pa. Its electronic configuration is radon 5f2 6d1 7s2. Its atomic number is 91. Its atomic mass is 231.036 units, and it was named by Otto Nad Lise-Meitner 1978. And its abundance is 1.4 into 10 raised to power minus 6 particles per million. In periodic table block, it is written as Pa91231. On 8th rank, we are having radium. This is basically very important for you to remember. This may be asked in your general knowledge exams. Its symbol is Ra. It was discovered in 21 December 1898 by Marie Curie and Pierre Curie and André Louis Debierne, for which Marie Curie and Pierre Curie got Nobel Prize in Chemistry. In periodic table block, it is written as Ra 88 to 26. Its abundance is 9 into 10 raised to power minus 7 particles per million. On 7th position, we are having polonium. Its symbol is Po. Its atomic number is 84. Its atomic mass is 209 units. Its electronic configuration is xenon 6s2 4f14 5d10 6p4. It was discovered in 1898 by Marie Curie and Pierre Curie. Its abundance is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 10 particles per million. In periodic table block, it is written as Po84 209. This is how polonium looks like. On 6th position, we are having plutonium. It is named on the planet Pluto. Its symbol is Pu. Its atomic number is 94 and atomic mass is 224. Its electronic configuration is radon 5f6 7s2. Discoverers are Joseph W. Kennedy, Glenn T. Seaborg, Arthur Weil, and Edwin McMillan. Its abundance is 3 into 10 raised to power minus 11 particles per million. This basically means that from 1 million particles, there are this many particles of plutonium. This is how plutonium looks like. On 5th position, we are having Neptunium. It is named on the planet Neptune. Its electronic configuration is Rn5f4 6d1 7s2. It is having an atomic number of 93 and atomic mass of 237. It was discovered by Edwin McMillan and Philip Abelson. Its abundance is 3 into 10 raised to power minus 12 particles per million. On 4th position, we are having radon. Its symbol is Rn. Its atomic number is 86. Electronic configuration is xenon 4f14 5d10 6s2 6p6. It was discovered in 1900. Its atomic mass is 222 and abundance is 9 into 10 raised to power minus 13 particles per million. This is the image courtesy. And 3rd position, we are having tritium. Tritium is an isotope of hydrogen. Isotope means it is having the same atomic number, but it has different atomic mass. So you might know that hydrogen has 0 neutrons and 1 proton, but in tritium it is having mass number of 3 and therefore it has 2 neutrons and 1 proton. This is how tritium looks like. It is used in watches. On second position, we are having francium. It is named on the country France. Its symbol is Fr. Its electronic configuration is radon 7s1. Atomic number is 87 and mass number is 223. And it was discovered in 1939. So on first position, for which you are waiting for too long, is astatine. Astatine is having atomic number of 85 and atomic mass of 210 units. Its electronic configuration is xenon 4f14, 5d10, 6s2, 6p5. Its abundance is 3 into 10 raised to power minus 20 particles per million. For fun fact, it is said that in only less than 1 gram of astatine exists in nature, according to some reports, and 30 gram of francium exists in nature. Just 30 gram. You can imagine how small that is. This is how astatine looks like. And for your information, I am telling one more thing that it is not confirmed, but element 118 was made artificially by people. 6 atoms were made that lasted for only 6 milliseconds, and it is said to be the most rarest substance on earth. So if you like this video, then like this video, share it.